Alright guys, welcome back to another edition of installing a body lift. This one is on my 2000 Dodge Ram 1500 Sport 4x4 quad cab, or as y'all formerly know them as RedRebel. We're getting ready to do the body lift on this one. So, for those of you that follow the channel, you've seen the body lift on the 2001 Chevy Silverado. And honestly, I think this one's going to be a lot easier on the Dodge Ram. There's a lot less in this kit. This kit doesn't seem near as involved as this kit. But then again, this kit that I had, than the Zone kit, I should say, for the 2001, that one had a lot of parts, a lot of stuff that was involved in the lift. That was a Zone off-road product. This one, I went with Performance Accessories, or also Daystar, both the same company. Except in this kit was way less than the Zone off-road, because let's face it, it's not near as good as Zone off-road. But not just that, but it also didn't come with the rear bumper brackets. I had to buy them separately. Thus, the two boxes. The Daystar box was the rear bumper brackets, and this was the actual body lift kit. So, I believe the price on this, even after the bumper brackets were added, though, was still about $80 less than the Zone off-road. But again, this is Performance Accessories or Daystar. So straight out of the box, both of them came with a Performance Accessories decal, which the one is already on my truck. The rear bumper bracket box came with two things of Loctite, and then just this thing reminding you don't forget your gap guards or whatever. Nobody needs that crap. And then I came with this stuff, and these warning stickers that you can stick on the vehicle if you want to, but we don't need no stinking warning stickers, so we're going to throw them out. But then we got double the stuff because, again, one was the bumper brackets, the other one was the lift. So we got double the stuff. So there, just to show you guys what you get in each package. Now I can throw this crap away. Right in the trash where it belongs. So then the rear bumper bracket came with instructions. Not very well instructions, but we'll figure it out. So, and then here's the instruction booklet for the body lift. And this is instructions for all sorts of different ones. This one does provide you with some pictures like the Zone off-road did, but not near as much. Thing about the shifter plate. But for some odd reason, it didn't even come with the shifter plate, which kind of pisses me off. I might have to end up making my own. I'm not sure. We'll see. Well, that's got a list of everything that came with. The instructions aren't near as involved, but you also, again, as you can see, that there isn't near as much to this kit as there was the Silverado kit, even adding the rear bumper brackets. Here's your rear bumper brackets in the hardware. Here's your front bumper brackets, your body spacers, bed blocks, your fill neck extension. Here's the bolts, the washers, the steering shaft extension. This, I believe, is for the shifter to extend the rod. That's why I don't think this one has that plate. You got to weld this rod onto it. And then here is your hose clamps and your other plates and stuff for extending stuff. It also came with two things of hose. Not sure what they're for. We'll find out when we start reading the instructions. So that's just a general outlook of what comes in the kit. And again, the instructions aren't the greatest, but we're going to read them over. And stay tuned. This is just part one, just going over everything. And again, the lift is going on RedRebel. So, and this one is going to be not a longer series of videos, but they're not going to be uploaded as quickly because this is a process that I'm going to be going over throughout the week. So I'm going to do a little bit here and a little bit there and a little bit here and a little bit there. So I don't even plan on getting started on it period today. I was just unpacking everything and seeing what I was dealing with, and the kit looks, with what I'm looking at in the kit, it looks like it's going to be way easier than the Chevy Silverado was. So again, stay tuned, guys, for part 2 of the body lift on the RedRebel, and make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, leave your comments down below. Thanks for watching. We'll talk to you later.